Snack lovers, this one is for you. Viet Hoa Food Market in the Memphis Medical District isn't just known for fresh seafood, live seafood. Its snack section is a whole vibe in itself. In one aisle in the middle of the store, you'll literally find a world of flavors, from crispy, savory treats to sweet, melt-in-your-mouth delights. Store owner Monica Pham shows us her favorite picks that will upgrade your snack game on the second stop in our journey through this hidden gem. And trust us, you'll want to grab a bag or two. We're here at Viet Hoa Food Market in Memphis's Medical District. I'm here with the owner, Monica Pham. So you thought you knew what a snack was? This is the real snack section. So people come here just for the snacks. Talk to me about that.
We have a lot of customers come in from surrounding cities just for our snacks. Yes, look at all these different flavored Kit Kats right here.
Caramel pudding Kit Kats? Milk tea Kit Kats. That sounds so delicious. And what is this? This looks like rice, but it's not.
Look at rice crackers.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. What's the most popular snack that people come in here to have?
That would be a hard question because like all of these sell so fast. Like we always have to keep them, always have to restock them every single day.
Really?
Yes.
So walk me through some of the unique items that you're not going to find in your everyday store in Memphis.
Oh, we've got all these gummies from Japan right here. All these gummies right here of these different flavored cookies right here. Kit Kats, then we got the chewy candies. Over here, we've got different beef jerkies from different countries.
People who do keto probably have a field day in here. So it's like you have dried seafoods and meats?
Yes, we do. You have dry seafood, we have dried meats, yeah, like this, right here, prunes. Can you imagine all these different types of prunes from China?
I thought there was only one kind of prune.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like, you see prune juice, and so these are different flavors. Explain to me what these...
They're all being preserved differently. Some are dry, some are a little bit juicy, some are chewy, some are not.
Juicy prunes, everybody come get them. Come
Some are sour, some are sweet.
Oh. And okay, wasabi peas, I've had those.
Yeah.
That's not, there's nothing. Okay, and then these look like Lay's, but they're in
Different language.
What language is that?
This is Chinese.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Well, over here we have all these chips, also from China.
Oh my goodness, I'm a chip fiend. Oh, look at Cheetos. You know, hot Cheetos are huge with the kids. Are these the hot ones? Wait.
Yes, those are spicy.
Lobster flavored Lay's chips. That's a real snack. And what are these? Shrimp snacks, onion and garlic up there, made with real shrimp.
Shrimp.
Oh, so these, they look like pork rinds.
Yes.
Yeah. Are they pork rinds? No, they're shrimp rinds.
Shrimp chips, yeah.
Okay. And then, sorry, excuse me. And then what do we have down here? This looks interesting.
This is from Vietnam. This is taro, the potato taro. They made this into these dried chips right here. Taro.
Wow. How did you know what to stock here? Like, how, do you have a way of curating?
Well, we start off bringing everything to this town. And depending on what moves, what sells, and what does not, well, whatever it does sell, we'll continue. And what the city doesn't accept or that they don't like, we just discontinue it. It's kind of an experiment for us also.
And it comes from all over the world.
All over the world.
So you just have those connections.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, come get your snacks at Viet Hoa. Thank you so much, Monica Pham, for letting us come here and learn about real snacks. Lobster chips, yes. Okay, while we plan to continue our journey through Viet Hoa Food Market this week, the inclement weather that's expected Friday has us pausing for now. But don't worry, we're going to be back with this on Monday for part 3 of another exciting stop. Next, we're heading to the exotic fruits section where store owner Monica Pham is going to share her tips for picking the most unique and delicious fruit that you've ever seen.